So this is the two things which we are testing. The first thing is I have connected the adapter to the power socket, and this is the particular pin for that, and I need to plug in this USB 0.3 socket to my CPU, and I need to power this on and I need to connect. So I will test it one by one. Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this particular video we are going to unbox to connect to the hard disk and the SSD, which is about 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches. Let me just go ahead and quickly unbox this. Let me just show you what exactly this box contains of. Got it delivered from the Amazon. Okay, this particular product, as you can see, this is the cable to this is a USB 3.0 cable to go ahead and connect to our SSD or the HDD, of course, for 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches. I'm keeping it aside. Here we gonna get another box inside it, nothing else, nothing much. Let's unbox this and just check. We got an adapter. This particular adapter will help to go ahead and plug it over here so that this particular thing gets the power, and this is what exactly it works like, guys. That's it, nothing much. So we're gonna test it like what we have. I'm going to show you with 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches hard drive, and as well as with the SSD. So let me just quickly go ahead to my MacBook Pro and let me just go ahead and take down the SSD drive from it, and also I would take down the hard disk from my CPU so that I can just show you the performance and the speed. So let me go ahead and quickly do that and get back to you. Thank you guys, just stay tuned please. So here we go. I have went ahead and I have completely removed my SSD. So guys, this is my SSD, where it is like you can see 256 GB of SSD. This is 2.5 inches. Let me just tell you. So as you can see, the size, it's 2.5 inches. And also I have taken down the 3.5 inches hard drive, guys. So this is, I have actually retrieved like from my CPU basically. So this hard drive is Seagate, from Seagate. So this is like 320 GB. This is a HDD. This is a 3.5 inches, guys. As you can see the size difference between both. Okay, so this is the two things which we are testing. The first thing is I have connected the adapter to the power socket, and this is the particular pin for that, and I need to plug in this USB 0.3 socket to my CPU, and I need to power this on and I need to connect. So I will test it one by one. So guys, as you can see, this is how exactly I have plugged in. This is the USB 3.0. As you can see, you can also put it for 2.0, guys. It's completely up to you. I have went ahead and I've plugged into the USB port, where I've also powered it on with the power cord, as I just shown you. So this is the way which I have plugged in to my CPU. You can just look it out. Very simple. You just need to attach to the socket. Okay, there will be two sockets. You just need to attach this, power this particular adapter on, and connect this via a USB type C. So let's see now if we are successfully able to retrieve it on the computer or not. Guys, you know what, I mean, this really, I don't wanted to mention it, guys. You know what, this is what exactly that particular order which I have placed. So this is, I've got it for one like close to 1,999. The name of this particular product, as you can see, RuhZa SATA to USB 3.0 cable, SATA 3 hard drive connector for 3.5 or 2.5 inches hard drive, and as well as the SSD. Supports the ASP with external 12 watts 2 ampere power supply. Guys, this really sucks. I'm really sorry to say that, but you know what, I have actually broken down the pin. It's very sensitive that you can literally see that this is broken. Despite it is being broken, I tried many ways. I tried to go ahead and connect to the USB port, but nothing was working initially and thereafter. Then I've literally gently tried pressing it a bit hard to this particular pin, guys, as you can see this particular pin, and it finally got broke. So you can see this is in my hand, it is broke, the pin is being broke. So I had to say this order really fails. I will literally go ahead and try to return this particular product. I don't know whether it is in the return window or not, but yeah, let me just check what I can do here about it. Thank you guys for watching. I would like to replace this